the leaves which tremble at dawn. Lotuses lean on each other in yearning. Under the eaves the swallow is resting. Set the controls for the heart of the sun. Over the